How to share your profile link on Discord. Copy Discord profile. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can easily copy your Discord link. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up your Discord application right here. You can basically do the same thing if you're using your mobile devices for Apple users and Android. Now once inside the application, click on the user settings. Once inside user settings, you want to make sure that the streamer mode is disabled, because if not, you cannot go ahead and access the profile section right here. You want to navigate through the streamer mode option. From here, disable, enable streamer mode. Go back to the My Accounts button, and once inside, you can then go ahead and click on the three dots at the corner of your profile name right here. Click on copy user ID and you should be good to go. If you're using your mobile devices, it will go ahead and look something like this, where you have to click on the three lines once again right beside your profile name, and from there you can then go ahead and see an option called copy profile link. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.